Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing some box braids in my hair and I'm going to show you how with a few step-by-step instructions. This is the braid that I'm going to be using. I will leave the information for it down below in the description box, so please check that out. So I washed my hair overnight. I actually dyed jet black. That's the reason why the edges look like that, which I don't mind. I actually like that. But yeah, I do that time to time because I like my hair looking jet black. I'm gonna blow out my hair to make it easier to manage, but before I do so, I'm gonna use this heat shield spray on it from Magic Collection to protect my hair from the heat. So I have these braider bands from BTL and I'm going to be using one of them today. I believe that one that I show you first on my hand to hold my jam, so I'll always have it right there instead of turning around each time to get more, or instead of keeping the jar open where it can make the jam get dry. This is the jam I'm going to be using. It's from BTL. Of course, this is the jam I use on my hair most of the time when I do box braids. So I'm going to go ahead and place some right here on the braider band, and this for sure makes everything so much easier. I'm going to go ahead and take my first section out in the back. So for this first section, I'm going to be doing 3 braids. Before I start my braids, I like to add jam on it, and that's what I'm doing here. So to start my braids, I grab all my natural hair in the hand that has the synthetic hair, and then I use my fingers like a cornrow to switch between the pieces of hair, and I do add some of my natural hair into the pieces of synthetic hair. And I keep doing this until I braid the hair about 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches off my scalp before I switch my arm around where it's easier to continue the braids down. Now I continue to braid the hair down, and this makes it easier to, finish off my braid. But I'm not gonna braid it to the end because I usually never do that when I do my box braids. I wait until I have all the hair in, then I finish off the ends. For my second braid, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing, and as I get up to the front of my hair, I will show you guys how I form the braiding here, around my fingers to start the braids off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in the third one, and I'm gonna keep this part at a normal speed so you guys can see again exactly what I'm doing. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this section because I want to get to the point where I'm gonna show you guys how I loop the hair and how I place it around my finger to start the braids. Okay, here we are now. I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare the braiding hair to start my braids. The first thing I do is I split the hair into with one side a little bit bigger than the other. I then loop them around each other like this. Now this is the part that you really want to pay attention to. I keep getting, comments about this part. So I put my finger, behind two pieces of the hair and then I bring another piece of the hair down between my fingers. I'm going to show you again from a different angle, so just watch carefully. And that's it. I'm ready to start my braids. I mean, it's very easy. You just have to keep practicing until you get it. Here I'm showing you guys again for the last time how I grip the root. Also right here, if you look closely enough, you can see how I switch my arm around to start braiding my hair down from a different angle. This is also something I get asked about a lot. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off 2 more braids on camera, and I'll get back with, whatever else I have to do with the hair. I'm gonna use BTL Anti Itch Spray Cooling Therapy on my scalp to prevent it from itch during the time that I'm gonna be wearing these braids. This is my second time using their itch spray, and this one contains menthol that gives me a really nice cooling and refreshing feeling on my scalp. Because I knew I was gonna be doing small box braids, I waited until I was finished to spray it onto my scalp. This way I would get it everywhere. Now I'm gonna go do some makeup as usual and change into something more proper. You know what I'm saying? And here it goes, guys. I'm feeling like $1,000,000 and I deserve to after all this hard work. I tried some cute styles with it and I really like this one for some reason. So, I kept this one for a while. Oh, I almost forget. Just in case you guys are wondering how I got the ends to look like that. So I braided them like this that you see here in this picture on my right, and then I dipped them in hot water. After they were cooled, I undo the braids, and then that's how I get the waves. This is a look at the back. It got all the way down to my butt. Of course, I was not even expecting that. And of course, right here, I was just celebrating my hard work because why not? Hope you guys like my little dance. But anyway, I will be linking all the products that I used today in this video in the description box. So if you're interested, do check that out. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!